We're doing something we've never done on this channel before. Can we hit 2 theme parks in one day while rope dropping 2 of our favorite coasters at the first one? So,
come with us.
Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
So today, like we said, we are trying to do something. We are going to head in here to Cedar Point. We're going to ride our 2 favorite coasters, Top Thrill 2 and Siren's Curse. Our goal is to rope drop TT2 and then jump right over to Siren's Curse, ride it, grab something to eat, and then take off and head towards Kings Island and then try and jump on Voyager over there. Let's see if we can get on 3 different rides or 3 different coasters
In 2 different
in
parks.
2 different parks that are 4 hours apart. We've never done this before. We're going to see if we can make it happen. All right? All right. So we're going to head in here real quick because doors open in like 45 minutes.
Get in line.
Get in line. We want to be close enough so that we can get to TT2. So anyway, see you guys when we get to the gate. All right. We have made it to the front of the park at the gate, and we're getting ready to get in here and get through so that we can get up TT2. See you guys when we get inside. All right, we made it inside and we are motoring briskly to Top Thrill 2. I hope it's running. I have not seen them. Oh, there it goes. It goes over the top. All right, so we're good. We're good. We're good. All right, see you guys when we get over there. All right, we are walking up here to Top Thrill 2. We are going to get on. It says an hour wait. We're also 5 minutes ahead of time. Right now, it's got the early entry people standing in line. I think it's going to go a little bit faster for today. We may fast lane this. I don't know yet. Fast lane is 5 minutes. We will see. Anyway, we're going to go to locker real quick. All right, we just got off Top Thrill 2. Absolutely love that coaster. It is it's probably my favorite here, just because of the speed and everything.
Uniqueness of it.
Yeah, I think the speed is what makes it unique.
Yeah.
So anyway, all right, we're gonna rush over here to Siren's Curse. It has an hour wait, but we may just purchase a fast lane.
We're gonna just buy it.
Okay, so we're gonna get a fast lane just so we can get it done and get to Kings Island so we can ride Voyager. At this point in our trip, I had already gotten to the point where we were exhausted. We started putting parks together in the same park. I know that the Voyager is not at Kings Island, it is at Holiday World. So when you hear me say it again, I apologize. I do also address this later on in the video. And Mystic Timbers. That was the other one that we couldn't think of to ride. So anyway, that being said, we're gonna ride Siren's Curse, grab food, and then roll out. So see you guys when we get to Siren's Curse. Okay, we have made it here to Siren's Curse. It is a 60-minute wait on the standby. So as you can see, Ash is here purchasing an individual fast lane for us, and it is a 15-minute wait. So we're going to use that. We're going to utilize that because we've got to get to Kings Island. We also got to eat, and we have another stop along the way at a place called Jungle Gyms. We're not going to show you that because it's not part of this, but that is also kind of why we are rushing this a little bit too. So anyway, see you in a second. Or I'm sorry, we will see you after the ride. All right, a little roadblock here in this. Apparently, the single fast lanes today.
I have to go where the mic is.
Yeah, so that you guys can hear her. Don't open until 1 o'clock?
Yes.
That's stupid.
They just lost some money from us.
Yep,
on that.
Sure did. We were all about paying for it.
Yeah.
And they wouldn't accept it. So.
Until 1 o'clock, and which I found that bizarre because, like, why wouldn't you just open it up to let people get it when they want to get it?
That's kind of where I'm thinking.
And there's no signage either, by the way. That's one thing that kind of irritated me is there's nothing to say that. Because had we known, it would have been a different story and we wouldn't have been upset about it. But
absolutely.
We did ride it twice yesterday, so I mean, like, we got our rides in.
Yeah, so. But it fails our little challenge that we're trying to do for the day. But that's okay. It does not matter because at the other side of things, they also missign clothes because I have a hoodie that was supposed to be 25% off.
Signage is important, folks.
Yep, it sure is. I think that's our only downside about this freaking park.
need to go that way.
So anyway, we are gonna head to the Grand Pavilion.
Yeah, which we are going the opposite way.
No, we're not. It's this way.
Oh, okay.
See, there's the Ferris wheel.
Oh, my bad. I've been trying to direct him while he films.
No,
like, I push him around.
It took me 5 minutes, and now I'm the map. So,
yeah.
All right. Anyway, we will see you when we get over there to the Grand Pavilion. Anyway, like I was saying, we have made it here to the Grand Pavilion restaurant and bar. We ate here our first day getting into Cedar Point, and we did not film it. We did have the steak. I do have a little bit of a clip here of that, I think. If not, I'm sorry. But we're going to try something different. I think I'm going to go for the shrimp. So we'll see. So anyway, we'll see you after we get our food. All right, so I got the shrimp and rice here. And they only gave me like 6 shrimp. Which, they're okay sized ones. I think maybe 10 would have been better. But it is what it is. And then I actually got the hand-breaded fish and rice also. Which, that's quite a bit of fish. But I'm not the type of person to go after some fish at a theme park other than fried shrimp. I feel like it's a little bit safer. So anyway, we're gonna eat this and then we're gonna get on the road. All right, lunch is down. Headed to the car. Gonna hit up Jungle Gyms. Like I said, not showing you guys that, but that's why we're trying to rush around. What you got? A Maybug? Maybugs are incredibly invasive right now. To everything.
Thousands of them.
Yes.
Thousands.
Yes. So anyway, we will see you guys when we get in our car. I know I said when we got in the car, but I just guys wanted to show you one last look on the way out. All right, we just made it to the car. As you can see, we are loaded up. We are still in the parking lot and we're getting ready to roll out. I threw my hoodie on because it was craziness. It's a little chilly in June. So
we also just had a storm come through yesterday.
We did. But I wanted to throw it on just because felt like it. So anyway, we're going to take off and we're going to head for Kings Island. So buckle up. Let's go!
This would be the time to have a time traveling machine. Like a dream.
Yeah, I know. I wish we had a time traveling machine. Oh, wait. This one takes time to travel places. Goodbye, Cedar Point.
Be adventurous, we're rolling in. Hit that gate, let the fun begin. Be adventurous, come on the ride. Big drops, bright smiles, you're right by our side. From rope drop rush to the fireworks glow. Be adventurous, let's go. The dock. Hey! Be adventurous, come on to ride. Big drops, bright smiles, you're right by our side. From rope drop rush to the fireworks glow. Be adventurous, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Drops, bright smiles, you're right by our side. From rope drop rush to the fireworks glow. Be adventurous, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
All right, so we made it to Kings Island. We are getting ready to go in here. I have to tell you guys that we kind of messed up here because we've got all these different theme parks that we were planning this week in, and for some reason we thought Voyager, but it's actually going to be Mystic Timbers that we ride here that we're going to try and shoot for today. And we're going to find something else to try and ride, but we got it mixed up with a different park. That's our fault. Again, never been here before. So
All of the parks are combining together at this point.
yes,
In our
that's
heads.
kind of what I was just explaining to
Yeah.
them. So we are for sure hitting Mystic Timbers and then something else.
Whatever we can get on.
Yeah, whatever we can get onto quick, so that way we can at least complete the challenge. I'm seeing like a red coaster over here that I think is calling our name. So there's two actually.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see. We'll figure it out. So anyway, we're gonna grab food. All right, we have made it inside, and the first thing, oh, and it's a food and wine festival as well. Look at that Eiffel Tower right there and those fountains. This is pretty.
I'm so excited. They're like, you see them up in the top right
Oh my gosh, you can see people
It's the
up there up
closest I'm
top.
gonna get to the Eiffel Tower.
Are you sure? Here, let's see how far we can get close to those. Yeah,
Shit.
it is beautiful.
I like it so far. It's a good initial like walk-in, like theming.
Yep.
Like
So-
that.
Right as we walk in the gate, we got Grain and Grill right here. That's where we're gonna hit up first.
We've heard some good things
So-
about it, I think.
Yeah. We've heard good things about it, you said?
Yes.
All right.
Some of the videos, I did some research.
Actually, her research. Yeah. Just not for the coasters, I guess. All right. So, I mean, the line is out the door.
Yeah.
So, oh, here we go. Here's what you got. These are your options for food right there. Chicken tenders, grilled shrimp, dark pork loin, burgundy beef. You got all your sides right there too. All right, see you when we grab it. Okay, so we stopped here at Grain and Grill. I got the chicken strips and Alfredo's pasta. You can see that very well.
They look
without
very
me
good,
spilling it.
actually. Surprisingly,
They
it's
do.
good.
They do. I'm gonna guess that the pasta is gonna taste the same as it did in Cedar Point.
I got the burgundy
Let's
and rice.
let's tilt this down just a little bit so they can see it. There we go.
Some guy came up and was like, the beef is really good, it's just a little salty. So I was like, that might be my food.
There you go. So these are like extra, like I don't know if you can see it, extra like crispy and stuff. And then go ahead and take a bite of that beef. It's good. Okay, that's good.
It's like seasoned very a lot, actually.
Seasoned very a lot.
Oh,
It looks like sloppy joes down on the plate. I'm sure it tastes better than that.
it's not jibby at all.
These are just your basic chicken strips.
Think for
A little better.
what?
They're crispier.
Okay.
They're crispier, so I kind of like it. So we figured out the coasters. The coaster that was going to be with Mystic Timbers, we got confused. Diamondback, not Voyager. So we're gonna ride Diamondback and Mystic Timbers. We're gonna see which one is a shorter wait time first, and go jump on it. But we're gonna destroy this food, let it settle for a second, and then hit those rides. All right, so food is done and headed to Mystic Timbers first. I have a 30-minute wait. Oh yeah, I'm trying to hold it over here. Like I have my phone and like I'm crisscrossed here with my hands,
Ridiculous.
trying to walk, but I'm doing
5
navigation.
different things at once, basically.
Yep, pretty much. So anyway, I will see you guys when we get to Mystic Timbers. Okay, we have made it to Mystic Timbers, and Ash is going up and asking if we've got to put stuff in a locker. So, anyway, that being said, we're going to find out if we got to put it in a locker or not. Talk to you in a second. Okay, so we just got off Mystic Timbers. Ash, what do you think of Mystic
sorry.
Timbers?
I liked it. Surprisingly, I'm not a big fan of wooden roller coasters because it's so like rough on me. This was partly rough, partly not.
Yeah, I'd ride it again.
Yeah, I could do it
You wanna
again.
ride it again?
Yeah.
So, all right, we're gonna head over here and we're gonna ride Diamondback,
Yay!
and then we're also adding a ride to this challenge, and we will tell you that after Diamondback. And we just got off Diamondback, and I knew Ashley would love this ride.
I
Yes, it
was
is the
very
same as one of her
hesitant.
favorites at SeaWorld Orlando. It's like it. It's like Mako. feels like Mako when you're riding it. But anyway.
I liked it, actually. I like the end the best. The little bunny hops.
And then you end up in the water.
Yeah, that was a good surprise, too.
It was. That was a fun ride. I liked it. I liked the airtime. It was a lot of fun. So anyway, so the next ride that we're going to hit is the newest ride here at Kings Island, which is also not a newer ride.
It's a recreation,
It's a recreation, yeah. So it's Phantom Theater?
Yes. I am so excited about this. This is probably my favorite ride. I love rides like this. Oh, I do want to add on Mystic Timbers. At the very end of the ride, it kind of has like a little show, and I really appreciated that because I love a good backstory of a ride, and it kind of tells you a story. They need to up that though during the queue and everything, kind of like tell the story what's going on in Mystic Timbers. But yeah, it was really fun because there was a song, we were all clapping in the train together to the beat. It was like a bonding moment. So it was very cool. They just need a little bit more theming going on.
Just a little bit. But anyway, we're going to head over to Phantom Theater and Ash can grab us something to drink also.
Yes.
Anyway, see you guys when we get over to Phantom Theater. We have made it to Phantom Theater opening nightmare.
It looks so fun.
It is a 40-minute wait. So, all right, we are going to go ahead and ride this thing, see what it's about, and let you guys know.
Guys, might be my favorite ride in the whole park. I was just so giddy through the whole ride. It is a shooter ride. You were trying to get the music notes back into the organ, and it is so much fun. The animatronics are perfect. Yes, the ghost notes.
By using a flashlight.
And then the animatronics are fantastic. I really want to take some photos of the ride sometime so we can show you how amazing that is. They did a fantastic job on this ride.
I just want you to let everybody know who won.
Okay, he won by like 10,000 points.
That's
10,000, okay?
I had 885,000 points.
And I was like 872. So we're going to say 10,000 points. And I am
So it's more than 10,000.
No. I'm a head usher.
So am I.
Whatever. It doesn't matter about you. I'm a head usher now, guys.
Anyway, so guys, if you want to keep up with more of our theme park adventures, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
notification button
so that you guys don't miss out on any more of our fun stuff. That being said, we conquered our task. We've been to 2 parks today. We rode 3 popular rides at our destination. Sorry, I moved the mic away from me. I'm holding it in my hand like normal. I am super excited. I'm still mad that we couldn't ride Siren's Curse. Six Flags, Cedar Point.
You win some, you lose some.
Fix that individual lightning lane thing, please, or fast lane, not lightning lane, please, because that, like, man, I really would have liked to do that today, but hey. Anyway, that being said, like I said, hit that like button, the subscribe button, and that
notification button,
so that you guys don't miss any more of our Kings Island stuff, Cedar Point stuff, Six Flags, any theme park that we go to. Yeah, we're getting ready to go there. So with that,
bring on the next adventure.
Bye, guys.